Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on a culinary adventure through the flavors of Chinese cuisine. Our focus? The exquisite dish known as Chinese braised abalone. Get ready to uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this delicacy. Chinese braised abalone is a symbol of luxury and sophistication in Chinese cuisine. But did you know that there's much more to this dish than meets the eye? Let's dive into the intriguing world of braised abalone together. Fact 1. Abalone is a highly prized shellfish that has been cherished in Chinese culinary culture for centuries. It is believed to have nourishing properties and is often associated with good fortune and prosperity. This delicacy's significance goes beyond its taste, making it a staple at important occasions like weddings and banquets. Fact 2. The art of braising abalone requires patience and skill. The abalone is carefully cleaned, tenderized, and then braised in a flavorful liquid until it becomes tender and succulent. This slow cooking process allows the abalone to absorb the rich, savory flavors of the braising sauce. It's the meticulous attention to detail and the dedication to extracting the essence of the ingredients that give braised abalone its unforgettable taste. Fact 3. Abalone is renowned for its unique texture, often described as tender yet firm, with a subtle chewiness. This exceptional mouthfeel is a result of the abalone's muscle fibers and the way it is cooked. The distinct texture of abalone adds a delightful contrast to the dish, creating a truly satisfying dining experience. Fact 4. In Chinese cuisine, braised abalone is often paired with other premium ingredients such as sea cucumber, mushrooms, and dried scallops. This combination of flavors and textures creates a harmonious symphony on the palate. The careful selection and meticulous pairing of these ingredients highlight the intricacy and depth of Chinese culinary traditions. And there you have it, some of the most unknown facts about Chinese braised abalone. From its cultural significance to its time-honored preparation techniques, this dish embodies the essence of Chinese culinary heritage. If you ever have the chance to taste this extraordinary delicacy, I encourage you to savor each bite and appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into creating such a masterpiece. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting food explorations. Until next time, happy cooking and indulging in the finest flavors.